even a text message or two a few times a day, just checking in and saying, do you need anything? I'm here for
That's
you.
it.
Just goes
Yep.
such a long way. Where was the aha big moment for you of like, I have to do more of this?
So I use my virtual assistants back in the day, mostly to build buyers lists, right? On that side of it. And then they would also do some cold calling. Today, the way we have it set up, I think we have 5 to 7 cold callers. We also have text messengers, and they drive leads to our acquisition team. So what I use our virtual assistants for is to gauge seller motivation. I want them to go through all of the homeowners. Hey, you're interested in sell, you're interested in sell, you're interested in sell. And once they say yes, then it's our job, meaning our acquisition team's job, to turn that into contracts, right? We have like 8,000 to 9,000 leads that are in our database. So we have a team of 2 VAs as well that go through. I think a lot of people call them lead managers, that go through text messaging, calling, just to re-engage them to see if they're still interested to sell. So boom, once they are, they get transferred over to our acquisition team. And then, it just keeps cycling. So we do wholesaling, all that kind of good stuff. 2013, I actually got introduced to what a virtual assistant was. I didn't know, right? And then it was more prevalent on the real estate agent side. Then a light bulb kind of went on, and I was like, you know what? There's something there. So 2014, launched my first virtual assistant company, but I tested it for 2 years to make sure it worked. And anything in business, I think there's a proof of concept that you have to test stuff for it to be good, right? 2016 we really launched, but the point being is that we really honed in on real estate investors. Now it's property managers, it's anything real estate professionals, agents, etc. We also have a medical division, but